going on, everyone? Got a 2021 Subaru Crosstrek. Today we're going to replace the remote key fob battery.
Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. It's going to push this button here, and then we can pull the emergency key out. Now if we look at the bottom of the remote, there's going to be some slots. One slot is for the emergency key, and right below it is another slot that we're going to use to open this remote up. I'm going to use a small flathead screwdriver. I'm going to stick it in here, okay, and I'm going to give it a little bit of a twist, right, like that, and it will pop it open. I'll do it again, show you one more time. The slot that's kind of in the middle right here, put it in here. The screwdriver doesn't go very far in there, all right. Let's stick it in here and then give it a twist, all right, and it opens right up. And we're going to just open it all the way up. Hold on to it like this, and here's our battery. Use a flathead screwdriver, put a thumb on it, and just pry it up, and it will come right out like so. Show you what size it is. The battery size is going to be a CR2032. All right, I'm going to have in the description box, I'll have this size and a link that takes you to Amazon. If you want to get a new battery, you can check it out there. You just get the battery with the positive sign. There's a little positive sign here facing up. Stick it in the top side first, and then click it down in there. And we just get the cover, the back cover, stick it back on top here. Line up the button with the hole. Right, that button right there, like that. We just snap everything back together, and you know you got it right when the emergency key goes right back in and locks. All right, so hope the video was helpful, and if it was, really appreciate it if you hit that like button and leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.